Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by narrowing your focus. Name 3 values or interests that still matter. Once done, choose one tiny, time-boxed task tied to those values and commit to it now. Make sure to set a concrete start time and a 10-20-minute timer because momentum grows from completion. You'll learn how small wins break apathy. After the timer ends, note one feeling or result. This immediate feedback trains your brain to expect reward, which fuels the next step. Once you have the first win, expand with habit stacking. Link the new micro-task to something you already do, like morning coffee or lunch. Then incrementally increase the load by about 10 to 25% weekly so change is sustainable rather than overwhelming. Make a simple tracking ritual, a daily checkbox or a line on a calendar, and review it every Sunday. Explain to yourself why each step matters. This meaning reduces detachment and turns isolated actions into reliable momentum. To finish the shift from apathy, lock in reinforcement and contingency plans. You do this by adding social accountability, tell a friend or join a group, and by setting clear, small rewards for streaks. Prepare 2 quick responses for setbacks. Shorten the task to 5 minutes or switch to a related easy action so you keep momentum rather than stopping. If things go wrong, use the 5-minute fallback and then reassess. This troubleshooting rule prevents relapse and restores forward motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.